The story of humanity is also the story of weapons, from stones to the stars. It begins when early humans shaped stones into spears, tools of survival and conflict. Then comes the age of bronze and iron, when swords and shields turned tribes into armies. Later, in the medieval era, castles rise, archers fire, and armored knights dominate the battlefield. Time moves on, and the thunder of cannons and muskets spreads empires through smoke and fire. Then the world wars erupt, with tanks, planes, and industrial destruction pulling the globe into chaos. In the modern age, missiles, drones, and stealth technology make war faster, sharper, and more precise. And the question remains: what will the wars of the future look like? Lasers, robotic armies, and satellites may decide battles beyond Earth. This story is far from over.